Hi there, my name's John Nelson. This is a brief video about how we use a standard web browser to control a Blackmagic Designs Production Studio 4K switch. We're using a standard tablet running a Chrome browser connected to a NodeJS application running on a Raspberry Pi. Okay, so here we have our Production Studio 4K switch mounted in a rack. It's actually a modified version. The fans on these things are ridiculously loud, so if you want to use it in the same room as you're shooting, I suggest you do something like we've done, which is to modify it, remove the existing fans and fit some nice quiet ones. Then it's actually a usable product. Over here we've got, in this instance, an iPad running a standard browser. It works on any browser. We've got a Raspberry Pi down here running a NodeJS application, and over here we've got the standard ATEM control software running on a MacBook Pro. The main motivation for writing this piece of software was often we are presenting, producing, etc. all as a one-man band, and when we're shooting in front of a live audience, we want the presenter to be able to control what is output over the auxiliary outputs. Now, the main software here allows you to easily control the program and the preview, but the auxiliary control is up on this menu bar, which is a bit painful to use. So on the web interface, we've split so that you've got three controls. You've got an auxiliary section here, a program section here, and a preview section here. So typically in a live environment, we connect a projector, an in-studio projector, to the auxiliary output so that the presenter can control what the audience are actually looking at, which might not necessarily be the same as what we're trying to stream out live. And as you can see, I've got, so if I can choose my different sources, so I click to camera 2, you can see the physical buttons which do allow you to change directly the source as displayed on here. This all keeps step with it, so if I press camera 2 on the switch, we select camera 2 on the web interface, select camera 3 on the web interface, camera 3 is displayed. If I select colour bars, we get the colour bars, etc. So it's all very straightforward and simple to use. And I can hide different sections. If I don't want to be able to see those, the program and the preview options, I can hide those away. Similarly, if I make a change in the live standard software, if I change the preview output over here, you'll see that the preview output over here changes in situ, or in sync even. And of course, this is a standard browser, so it will work on any standard browser, whether that be on a tablet or indeed on a desktop machine. So again, I've got exactly the same controls here, and again they keep in sync. So I change the auxiliary to camera 3, I get camera 3. I change it to camera 1, it changes to camera 1. Similarly, it all keeps in sync. So if you found that useful, please follow us on Twitter, and please send us any feedback you have or anything else you'd like to know about this setup. Thanks for watching.